In less than 60 seconds, you can create an animated AI avatar videos like this. So let me play this for you.
Gee, whoever made this tool is awesome. Videos like this were my dream, and I am in love.
How cool is this? So you can create videos or AI animated avatars like this for free and quickly. How? Let me show you the tool, the demo. Before we jump into it, make sure you like and share this video so more people can see this. So here is the website you want to go to. The tool is Artflow. You want to go to artflow.ai, create an account. It's free, and yes, they do have higher up plans. If you want, you can use those, but this tool is amazing. You can put your avatar, this is the avatar or character, on any scene and then give it to, or make it say anything that you want. So let me show you. I'm already signed into my account. This is what the dashboard looks like. Basically, so when you click here, there are different sections here. Explore. So if you go to explore, it's going to show you different characters that other people have created. You can use these, or you can also create your own images. These are different images other people have created, and also the prompts. And then let me go back here. And then the my creation. So if you create anything, so here are some images that I've created. So it's going to appear here. Next is the image studio. So this is where, let's say I want to create an image. I'll just say a white male in business suit, and I'm just gonna, you can play with other settings as well if you want, but I just want to show you how fast it is to create your own characters, your own images using this. So you can generate new images, or also you can create, if you have an image, you can create variations based on that. So here you go, look at that. Pretty neat. Now here is the magic zone, the video studio. So let me show you how I made that animated AI avatar video. It's right here. The magic happens right here. So 4 steps: your scene, your character, your dialogue, your effects. So scene, and then here are different options. You can pick any scene that you want. So pick anything that you want from here, and this becomes your background, your scene. Step number 2 is your character. So you can create your own from your creations, or you can just pick anything that's here. So I'm just gonna pick something from here. So let's say right here, this is my character. This is the person who's gonna talk. Also, you can turn this into a green screen. Look at that. That's pretty neat. Or if you wanted the other setting, you can do that as well, but it's totally, I like green screen, so why not do that? Next is the dialogue. What do you want this person to say? Hey, how are you? I am loving this tool. And then if you click on preview this voice, you'll hear this in a second.
Hey, how are you? I am loving this tool.
So if you want to change, obviously this, it's a male voice and female character, so you want to change that. So here is in your audio gallery, here are different voices that you can use. So here's the Elizabeth, you can use that.
Hi there. If you like what you hear, you can use my voice.
Right. So now the next step is effects. So what type of movement? Actually, I love this. I don't think other AI tools do this. So if it's gonna move or show movement like this, or maybe zoom out like this. So see how right here. So once you're done with everything, you're gonna click on. Let me go back here and make sure you see this. I think it's kind of hidden right here. On top, it says saves as draft or export. What you want to do is click on export, and then it will take the title of this video. I'm actually not going to export this because I have some that I want to show you the final result. So let me go to Video Studio and then go to my video gallery. It's going to have all the videos that I've created. So if I click here, here's the video that I made earlier, and let me play this for you again.
OMG, whoever made this tool is awesome. Videos like this were my dream, and I am in love.
So this is really simple, fast. One other thing I want to show you, let's go back to the Video Studio. So Video Studio is where you create the videos. One of the things that I was playing with in the uploads, in the scene section, you can also upload your own pictures. So you can upload, here's a picture that I uploaded, and then instead of using the character, you can make your own picture talk. It's not as good as the AI generated character talk, but it's actually pretty neat. So you have to click here. So that means this is gonna talk and then say whatever you want here, your dialogue, and the same thing, you'll export this video. Let me show you what this looks like. So I'm gonna go to Video Gallery. Here's you'll notice it's not as good
Hey, this tool is amazing.
So right here, it's maybe they will change, maybe they will improve this in future, but for now I noticed that if you use one of the generated character instead of using your own, the video quality is like 10 times better. Again, the website is artflow.ai. If you have any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share this video. And now let's watch this next video together.